In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to insert your Draw.io mind map. In this example, I'll be showing the process inside a Confluence page, but the general workflow is very similar in Jira as well. The main idea is that you're adding a visual diagram directly into the page or issue so it stays connected to your work and easy for others to view. Once you're inside the page editor, move to the exact area where you want the mind map to appear. Click into that space, then type /draw.io. From the list of options that appears, select Draw.io diagram. A pop-up window will open, and at this point it's important to give it a moment to fully load before doing anything else. After it loads, you'll have two ways to begin. If you want to build your mind map completely from scratch, choose blank diagram. If you'd rather save time and start with a ready-made layout, use the search bar on the left side and search for mind map. Press enter, browse the available templates, select the one you want, and then click create. The diagram will reload, and once that finishes, the Draw.io editor will open directly inside Confluence. Inside the editor, look over to the left panel. This is where you'll find shapes and connectors that you can drag and drop onto the canvas to expand your mind map. If you want to modify something that's already there, simply click on the object. You'll then see handles that let you resize it, and a rotation handle near the top that allows you to turn it if needed. You can also drag any selected object to reposition it on the canvas. If you want to remove an object entirely, select it and press delete on your keyboard. For text, click into the text you want to change. You can highlight the existing words and delete them, then type in your replacement text. This makes it easy to customize each branch of your mind map so it matches your topic clearly. When any object is selected, you'll also notice formatting controls on the right side. These are grouped into sections like style, text, and arrange, which help you fine-tune the appearance and layout of your diagram. Once your mind map looks the way you want, click Publish in the top right corner. Wait while it saves, and after that, the diagram will be added directly to your page. And that's it. You've successfully created a mind map in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira.